There we go. Tonneau cover for a Jeep Compass. This is a universal cover that can be used in many Jeep products, but I'll list them below. But we got it for the Jeep Compass 2013. Yeah, so I'll demonstrate on how this puppy works here in a minute. We're going to be doing the unboxing. We just got it delivered UPS from Amazon. And like I said, I'll put the listings of the company and the name here below. Okay, peace out. Compass, and tonneau cover goes in like this. Like that. Clip one on here. This here is retractable, so you can actually pop that into they give you these brackets here. As you're putting it in, they gave you these things that move back, so you can put it in pretty much where the factory holes are. All right, and there you go. Wow, you like that? Go. So now you got your cover. And it hooks in and pulls out. Bang. Tonneau cover from Amazon. Like I said, I'll leave the description on the how I got this shipped in, delivered.